Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will be solving a simple calculator using C programming. Here, we will be understanding the in-depth basics of C programming as well as implementation of a calculator. I've already implemented it. I will be walking through the piece of code and giving you an idea what all it does. So first we are including a standard input output header for printf and scanf functions, and then inside the main method, we have some variables to store operators by the user and variable to store two operands, basically two different numbers. We prompt the user to enter an arithmetic operator. So we are printing a statement called enter an operator. After that, we are reading an operator from a user input using scanf. A space before the percentage %C is important because to consume any leftover new line character before perform the previous input. Okay, and we are using and pointer here. We prompt the user to enter two operands, and we read two operands. It can be of double values as well. Hence, we are using percentage %LF. We use switch case control structure to perform the operation based on the particular operator. So on the basis of operator, we will decide if the particular case, what the particular case is. If it's the case for addition operator, then we add two operands and display the result. So you can see we break the statement, prevent fall through to the next case. Percentage dot 2LF is used to format the result to two decimal places. As you can see, we are using two operands here. I'm going to get the output for both of them. I'm going to format the result to do decimal places. Similarly, in the case of subtraction, you can see I put a subtraction case. If the given operator passed as subtraction, then the two numbers needs to be subtracted. So we are going to print if percentage 2LF percentage dot 2LF is equal to percentage 2 dot LF slash n. Slash n means we will move the character to the next line. Similarly, for the case of multiplication and division. In division, we have to put an extra case like we are not dividing a number by 0. Check if the second number is non-zero to avoid any divide by 0 error. Okay. If the number 2 is non-zero, then we perform the division and display the result. Else, if the second operand is 0 here, we should print that division by 0 is not allowed, and we break the statement. Now there is a default keyword here. Default case executes if none of the above case matches, or basically an invalid operator. We will print a statement that invalid operator, and please use plus, minus, star, or divide. Percentage %C is used to read character. Return 0 is to indicate the successful program execution. Let's run this in C. I'm going to select the language to C and let's run it. Let's enter plus. Let's to enter operands 1, 2, and you can see 1 as a decimal they have considered because we are handling the decimal part up to 2 decimal places. We can give any input, but we are handling for 2 decimal places. So 1.00 plus 2.00 is equal to 3.00. You can enter any other operand and check. Let's run it again. So if I enter this, you can see error invalid operator. Please use plus, minus, star, or multiply. Star or divide slash operator. That's it for this particular video. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.